go. So, I'm a big woman. You're a big woman. And I tell you, say, all of them are cussed now. Because, so, all of them, you know. Any one of them grab it first, you know. And grab it now. So, you're a big woman. You're not come to your mother. You're not come to your mother. And I made them afraid. Like, I mean, no, say, they can't kill me. That's what Jesus died. I made them, me a run, me a shooks them. That is. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys see, I am sitting down. You see the yellow background? I don't know what time it is, right? On the North Day. It's story time. Yes guys, story time. So, I'm gonna give you guys this story about when I was going to high school. Girl used to get enough trouble, may I tell you. Enough trouble. So yes, it have this day, you know, we have, if it wasn't sports day, it was fun day. Understand? So, you don't know, fun day done and everything, because normally in Jamaica, when they have a high school sports day and them stuff there, after sports day done, always have some after party somewhere, either out on the road with the school there or something like that. Either out on the road or something like that, right? So now, this I'm mental about is like more than 15 years ago. What the story I'm telling you is more than 15 years ago. So yeah, so we have sports day, you know, sports day done, that music string up outside. Anybody used to go more than high school? No. So yeah, music string up outside and thing. You know, all of the school kids them outside of a party, you know, who have them little boyfriend, party with them boyfriend and thing. Yeah. So we did it, but at that time I was in a dance group. Because growing up I used to be in a dance group. You know, I used to dance on JCDC festival, but me I come with a story about that. You know, yeah, I used to dance on JCDC festival in Jamaica. So anyway, them time I in a dance group. You understand? So me now call my dance partner them. I go high school but me in a dance group, but all of them bit older than me, you know, but I could have dance real good. I mean wind up your body, me attack flick up. I didn't maga like a stick. Yeah. So I link them up and them say, you know where I go up a rooftop? But listen, me under age, you know, so me not supposed to have a rooftop, you know. But you know, girl go and big and girl ear do up like a big woman and sing. So anyway, it was 3 friends away. We come from the same place. One of them, in a call her name, never go to our school, but she come up our school. You understand? So anyway, we leave from school, fun day, we go out of the road party, and reach certain time in the night. We go on a rooftop. So now it have some of the little boy them now, them are same age as we know. But you know, when time female can dress up and look big, the boy them can't do that. Them cannot do that because if you look a little boy, look a little boy. So we were like so we a big man and walk in a club, nice and thing. Yeah. And we a party and we are going with ourselves and it have different crew over there, so the dance against this a crew, yeah, that the crew, because you know me in a dance group, so you know me have my crew. Because we wasn't like party dancers. But we go places and we show out because we didn't do routines. And be a routine we used to do. You understand? So we did them. I tell you, say, you see the captain for the team, she did bad. Yeah, she even win dancehall queen in Jamaica. She win dancehall queen and she did 1 month after. That's the reason why I quit dancing when she did. Still can dance, but I quit dancing and just Lego myself and I start put on weight and stuff. Yeah, but I went the captain for the dance group, Shanique Taylor, when she passed away, right after she win, she just take sick. Nobody don't know what happened to her and she just dead. But me now going to that, I come with the story there. Next. You know? So anyway, Shanika go on with herself and I tell us a girl can jump and ploop, 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 ploop. When she jump and split, you know, she split about 10 times before she come up and I tell her so she did little and short. And I say we are going, you know, and people are 8 pounds we and ting. Somebody over the local corner there, so I'm dance and I want myself and girl I drink her little beer like she a big body though, you know? Drink her beer. When me looking at the party, guess who me say? Alright? I don't want to guess my spin. No me mother. Listen, you know. Girl supposed to let fear and go home, you know. But girl never care because she say she will get beaten. I mean nobody will get beaten regardless. But which part of the day it was walking distance from my yard because my school, I'm driving on my school, but where the party keep I walking distance from my yard. You know? So that's some mother reach there. And I'm far from my yard every day. But I did for the home. I see one of my friends, because 3 of us female and 3 of us same age, but 2 of us got the same school, 1 of us same school, and the guy now who are the same age with you, I him got tell which part with the catch then send him back and him couldn't go in, but we no business, so him get sent back, we gone in, him they supposed to just lock him out. I say my mother, I did 4 of them come for me. One of the girl, mother and auntie. One of my next friend, for her mother and my mother. So, through me the dog in the corner, me spot them. So you don't know what me do. Sorry about that, guys. Before me go deep in there, guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Curry with us. You know? Yes, guys, so me know, guys, they have some look railing. I mean, it's skinny, you know? I mean, touch some of the guys, them guys was a girl and guys dance group, you know? I was the youngest one, but it have other high schoolers was there in the group. And I say, my son have to hide me. Because my mother will embarrass me. And I can't make my mother embarrass me. I mean a big dance group, a dance band, JC, DC and something. Embarrass me. Yes, my mother know I was in the dance group, you know. I couldn't go in the without she knowing. Because I remember me dance on festival and all of that. So, them hide me because I can't take that embarrassment there. So when my next 2 friends, them, for them parents don't see them because them they way out in a dance floor and go when you're there, pa, pa, pa. So then get in at the party. So look at me skinny because I didn't my guys want to know. And I talk and I tell them, all them look for me, they think me run gone. But me there in at the party same way, you know. And I hide that time, my heart a beat, my heart a beat. But which one of the day, as I tell you, say a rooftop, you can see when them leave out of the party. So I don't move from which part of the day, because I know say, nobody not come over that day. They saw which one me did the hide, come look for me. Somebody have literally say, see her there, and to all me did the hide, me never did make it look obvious, say me a hide. I kind of hide and they act like me a dance and thing, you know, but you know me hide and me. So when we look over, so, I said, the 2 friends them are run now. I see my 2 friends them are run. And then I see my mother, the walk go up the road. And the next girl mother, and the next one mother, cause my 3 are we now. And then the auntie, cause one of them are auntie and her mother come, but my mother, so 4 of them coming now. For beat we now. So any one of them grab we now, them will beat we now. You understand? So I did them wait till they cool off. I watch them because I can watch them because it's a long street. So you can watch them till they go way up before them turn to go up on Barney Street. So then I watch them, I wait till they reach park and I say, listen, I know I get lick when I go home, but I not get no lick, make nobody see me in a crowd, I get no lick. You mad? Girl in a dance school. Everybody know people. I go to different hotel, go dance, because I remember now, we dance for JCDC festival. We dance, I dance at almost, you name it. Majority of the hotel them in Jamaica. I go there dance. Folk dance, it's got, yeah. I know just know me love music a long time. So, I wait till them went in until I tell the girl them say this stuff. I'm going to leave now because I don't want to wait too long to go up, to go home. So I take my time and set my bag. You want to see me walk out of the place like I not even know where to go on. Hey, bye, later going on now. I'm thinking, no? You see when I come out of the place, I cut through and kite up enough back road. You know? So I know all of them back road. I'm not afraid when I there them place there because I know say I run to certain place, I'm running a certain yard. I know say I go reach out somebody yard and nobody not do nothing. You understand? Yeah, I come from the ghetto, but I'm not afraid when I there the ghetto. I'm rather afraid when I there on the main road and nobody not know me. Anyway, when I cut through the side road right at Burger King, but no Burger King on St. James Street, in Mobile. I cut through the side road, I go up on Church Street, and I say, you see when I the side of Church Street, I want a cemetery they say, you know, and girl always, you know, who does Jamaica when I'm afraid of duppy? I'm afraid of the cemetery, but listen to me. I reach up a yard before them. And Merlin Atty. What am I Merlin Atty? And I tell you when I bust the corner there, so I run, because I say, I have to reach in the same period of time with them. Because it's going to be worse, you know, because first time I say I'm a big woman and I stay back and take things. So I did it, you know, because I run. When I reach, I run and I reach now. And they see me and I stop down there and they say, oh, so, you're a big woman. You're a big woman. And I tell her, all of them are cussed now. Because, so, all of them, you know. Any one of them grab it first, you know. Can grab it now. So, you're a big woman. You're not come to your mother. You're not come to your mother. And I believe them afraid to come in. No, sir, they can't kill me. That's what Jesus died. How many of them I run, I shooks them. Now this big man, him dead now, rest in peace. And him come hold me, you know. You know I mentioned 2 persons in this video will die. Yeah. Who was there the same night? 2 persons. My shit. You know, so actually, I am talking right now. And 3 of the person who was there that night passed away now. Anyway, rest in peace. Now I'll go to that. Yeah. And the man who hold me, you know. And so I get so ratted lick. But guys, you hear people say nowadays pitting bad. Pitting bad nowadays. Pitting bad a long time. But you know the whole thing about it? Guess what the whole thing about it? You never have no social media like that. The people say post this and post. Because if I one time and that there is social media with me and Merlin at it, somebody that video it or something. You understand? He never did about boyfriend and this and that. But yeah, people that disobey them parents a long time. So people that talk about say, oh, these nowadays kids, them a generation of viper. You don't have nothing to do with no nowadays kids and generation and a viper. You understand? Kids bad a long time ago. Yes. Say it again. Kids bad long time ago. Yes, so I don't know enough of them people that talk. Let them shut them out. They can go on story pan story pan story. You understand? I can't go on story. I did so bad, I'm afraid I used to get enough trouble. Because if my mother said I do this, I eat me I do. Come on know why she said me not to do it. And to all me afraid I let me climb a breadfruit tree. Because me I did the climber. In the community I come from, and me used to do all of the climbing. Hey, come climb a tree and pick breadfruit. Yeah, I'm from Mobile, but we used to have enough breadfruit tree. And I used to climb the tree them and sing for them. But my mother want to beat me, but climb that. Yeah, and my mother did very strict, but what? Never used to listen. But anyway, guys, I have a lot more story for you guys. You know, a lot more. So just stay tuned to Life with Curry Buddhas. I have a lot of stuff in store for you guys, but I need you guys to subscribe. I see y'all watching the videos and y'all not subscribing. Y'all need to subscribe, you know, and palm up the comment section, guys, if anyone have any of these experience or anything like that, you know. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Buddhas. I am out. Bye.